keeping your living room clean can feel like a never-ending battle, especially if you have kids or pets. A powerful yet compact cordless vacuum can make all the difference, transforming that chore into a breeze. Today, we're diving into a comparison of 5 top-rated cordless vacuums that promise efficiency and convenience. Stay tuned to discover which one will become your new cleaning ally, and you might be surprised by our #1 pick. Remember, the links to every product are in the description below, so you can check current prices. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Kenmore DS on 020 says V. Cordless stick vacuum lightweight. The Kenmore DS on 020 says V. Cordless stick vacuum shines as a lightweight and portable option. Perfect for those who want quick cleanups without the hassle of cords. Best suited for small to medium-sized living rooms, this vacuum is equipped with a powerful Sees V lithium-ion battery that offers ample runtime, allowing you to tackle dirt and debris effectively. Its swivel steering feature makes maneuvering around furniture a breeze, and the dirt cup is easy to empty, saving you time and energy. However, while it excels in portability, users have noted that its suction power may not be as strong as some larger models, which could be a consideration if you have persistent pet hair issues. Handheld vacuum, cordless. The handheld vacuum cordless is ideal for those who need a versatile cleaning solution that can tackle various surfaces in the living room, from upholstery to floors. This vacuum is compact and easy to store, making it an excellent choice for smaller spaces. Its robust suction power ensures that crumbs and pet hair don't stand a chance, and the included attachments allow for detailed cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Users appreciate its lightweight design and comfortable grip, ideal for quick cleaning sessions. On the downside, the battery life might not be sufficient for larger cleanup tasks, which could necessitate multiple charges during extensive use. Intercleaner corded vacuum cleaner. For those who prioritize consistent suction power, the Intercleaner corded vacuum cleaner stands out as a solid choice. While it may not be cordless, its long power cord allows for extensive reach, making it perfect for larger living rooms. This vacuum boasts a robust motor that picks up dirt and debris efficiently, and its HEPA filtration system captures allergens, ensuring cleaner air in your living space. It's best for homeowners who value power and efficiency over portability. However, its corded design limits mobility, and users may find it cumbersome when cleaning multiple rooms or moving around furniture. KEROMEE cordless vacuum cleaner. The KEROMEE cordless vacuum cleaner offers an appealing balance of power and convenience, making it perfect for busy households. This vacuum features multiple suction modes, which are great for tackling different messes, whether it's fine dust or larger debris. The lightweight design combined with a flexible hose makes it easy to reach under furniture and in tight corners. Additionally, users love its long-lasting battery, providing ample cleaning time on a single charge. However, some users have mentioned that while it's efficient on hardwood floors, it may struggle slightly on deep carpets, which is something to consider depending on your flooring type. Vacmaster Portable 10.8 V2-in-1 Cordless Stick Vacuum. Taking the top spot, the Vacmaster Portable 10.8 V2-in-1 Cordless Stick Vacuum is a game changer for those seeking versatility and effectiveness in living room cleaning. This vacuum's 2-in-1 design allows it to effortlessly switch between a stick and handheld vacuum, making it a perfect option for both floors and furniture. With its powerful 10.8 volts battery, you can expect impressive suction performance, capable of handling everything from pet hair to dust. Users rave about its compact storage capabilities and ease of use in tight spaces. However, while the vacuum is great for everyday messes, heavy-duty tasks may require a more powerful solution. Overall, its adaptability and efficiency make it a must-have for any home. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the best compact cordless vacuums for your living room. Each of these options has its unique strengths, and we hope this comparison helps you find the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might also be looking for a new vacuum. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details on each product. Subscribe for more reviews and tips.